Hi guys, happy new year. Welcome back to our channel Shreembeautylandsalon. Today I wanna show you full back waxing roll on wax in the depilator machine, how they works. First on the normal temperature, you see I do the first normal temperature. The wax is warm, is not too cold, not too hot. Apply the powder full back. Here the back is not wet, it's dry. Apply very well for the full back powder. We will start the lower back. We apply the honey wax in the roll on the depilator. Apply half the full lower back. Take the strip and apply the hair direction and take out the opposite direction. Same thing, whatever your the hair direction, apply the strip and take out the opposite direction. You see all the blackness, tender and dead skin come out in the strip, and here the half of the lower back is neat and clean. This is very easy way, not too much pain, but you apply, be gentle all the step. Just apply the wax and then stretch to the skin, and then after take out the opposite direction, and then we are go to in the middle part for the back. Apply the wax. Your wax first thing is not too hot. Is hot, skin is burned, and is cold, not working. Your wax is very medium temperature, and apply the strip, and you see all the hairs very easy way, not too much pain. Just this work is very quick and fast and is very good. And you see whatever I do, the waxing is the original sound, is not to fake any sound. This is original sound. We are working our client in the back, waxing roll on wax in the depilator, and then again we go to the shoulder. We cover the shoulder, apply the wax, and same thing, we look what is the hair direction and apply the strip and take out the opposite direction, and we cover the neck, shoulder, and whatever the leftover you feel the hair is leftover, then cover all the hairs, and you see all the hairs gone, and here the back is so neat, so clean. Hopefully you like this video. Please you share this video, subscribe this video, and like this video, and please comment in box, you write on which you wanna most like video in my professional, which you like the video we uploaded more this video. Please write down in the comment box. apply very gentle and very softness, then you don't feel the irritation, all the stuff, and you feel very good and relaxed. Hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.